Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Nova 5. In this video I'll show you the headphones preview. In the beginning, take a look at the left ear cup. Right here we've got the expandable microphone. Here we've got the volume switch, microphone switch, and that's it for the left ear cup. Take a look at the right ear cup. Right here we've got the USB-C port, power button, and quick mode button. Here we've got this elastic band we can adjust. And that's basically it about our headphones. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.